Edward, saan punta? Saan ang punta nyo?
Marawi.
Marawi. Marawi Kalanggaman. Ito. Outing daw kami. Punta daw kami lahat ng Kalanggaman, Leyte. Kalanggaman Sandbar to, di ba? Ang tawag. Okay.
Birds Station.
Birds of the same feather flocks together. Ayan. Medyo pareho nga naman eh. Okay. So off we go to Kalanggaman. Guys, sama kayo next time para mas masaya. Yay!
Hi guys, we're now in Kalanggaman Sandbar here in Leyte. Say hi. I'm with the team. Yung bonus pag tuturo ka ngayon, may mga bonus sa mga trips.
Here it is. We're going to explore Kalanggaman today. Hope you can join us next time. Kaway. Hi. Welcome to Kalanggaman. Ayan. Hello. So, welcome to Kalanggaman Island. Alright, let's enjoy the day. Yes. Alright, we're here. Ganda ng island, oh. Sayang talaga, oh. Hindi kayo sumama, oh. Look at the water. Really clear. Tingnan ng tubig, oh. Come on, guys. You gotta travel with us next time. You've got to travel with us next time. So guys, we're now heading to the sandbar portion of Kalanggaman. Ang init. Grabe. Sobra.
Desierto.
Ito yun. Ito na yun. Napakainit talaga.
Dahil sa Sandbar, nandito kami.
Sobra init.
Dahil sa Sandbar.
Ang aga na namin umalis sa Tacloban. Ito pa rin. Sir Edward, iniwan mo si Ma'am Luce. Tandaan mo, mas malaki ang pension yan kaysa sa'yo. Kaya pag nag-retire yan, baka hindi ka bubuhay.
Bubuhayin niya.
Yes, sama kayo sa susunod.
Nakatanggap na talaga ng pension.
Oh, ang ganda rito. Woohoo!
Parang tiniling lang.
Team, sama kayo sunod sa amin. Overnight tayo rito, overnight. Woo! Hihi! Yun natin. O, ayan. O, kasi may magandang view daw kami nakikita ni Sir Edward. O, Sir Edward, Sir LD, maganda yung view, di ba? Oo. Ganda ang view. Oo, napakahaba naman pala ng sandbar na to. Okay. Init. Dapat maaga pupunta rito. Hi guys, we're now at the end of the sandbar here at Kalanggaman Island. If you take a look at this, there it is. Andun po yung mga kasama ko. Andun sila. Si Geraldine, si Joy, si Sir LD. It's actually around 30 minutes via motorboat from Palumpon. It's really a nice view here, pero how I wish that we arrived here earlier. Like it's really good to do early morning walk, 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock here with the sandbar. At this moment, it's really very hot. Sobrang init na parang hindi mo ma-enjoy pag hindi ka naliligo na lang dapat sa dagat. sama kayo next time. Overnight tayo rito and let's really have some fun. Bye for now. Yes. Hello, Edward.
Hello!
Welcome to Macau.
Lalo ulitin.
Hello, Sir LD. Oy, nakita ko pa si Geraldine. Ay, galing, oh. Hello, galing, oh. LD. We are now on the other side of Kalangaman Island. May mga parang tent na itsura na cottages dito. Pang dalawahang tao. Just like an Indian house. Pero made of ano to, coco lumber. Doon to yung ibang tingnan. It's really fun at dapat din talaga na next time is dapat overnight ang punta rito kasi mas maganda siguro dito if you know, early morning and then breakfast, coffee with kinilaw na isda and then sunset with matching sunmig light and sinugbang isda. You know, stuff like that. It's really good to be here. Next time, I have to bring my family as well. See you guys and please make sure to come with me.